Friends, welcome to Max Me Education online class. Today our topic 10th class State Syllabus of Telangana sets exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Okay, on that first problem, if A is equal to set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. Then find A intersection B and B intersection A. So first I am going to find the A intersection B. Solution. A is equal to what is given? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to is given 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. We have to find A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection means we have to write the common elements, which have both. In this, 3 have only common element for both. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to 3. Over. Next, we have to find B intersection A. B intersection A. So, what is the B intersection A? Same as it is. The elements which are common in both. B intersection A is equal to 3. Therefore, what is asked to? They are equal or not he is asking. They are equal or not he is asking. Yes. So, A intersection B is equal to 3. B intersection A is equal to also 3. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to the B intersection A. Okay? This is for first problem. Next problem. If A is equal to 0 to 4, then what we have to find A intersection pi and A intersection A. So solution. First we have to go for solution. A is equal to 0 to 4 and pi is equal to, this is the set. What we have to write? Intersection. Intersection means what, right? Common elements. Is there any common elements? No. Therefore, A intersection pi is equal to, that means conclusion, A intersection pi is equal to pi only. A intersection pi is equal to pi. Okay? Right. Next, second problem. A intersection A we have to find. A intersection A. So first what you have to find? A. What is A? A is equal to 0 to 4 and B is equal, and again A. So what is again A? 0 to 4. This is also set A. This is also set A. Okay. What we have to? We have to write both are common elements. We have to write both common elements. What are the both the commons? A is equal to, A intersection A is equal to 0 to 4. Both have 0, 2 and 4. Both have come 0 to 4. So what is, how to take any set? So A intersection A is equal to A only. So what is the problem? How to take any set? Intersection with pi, we are getting null set only. Intersection of null set, we are getting null set only. Intersection of that set, you have to take any set. Intersection means that set only we are getting. Okay? Next problem. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Set B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. What we have to find? Find A minus B and B minus A. First I am going for the find A minus B. What is A minus B? The elements which are in A, not in B. So first I am writing A. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. Set B I am writing. Set B is equal to, say 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So what we have to find? A minus B. That means have to remove common elements of both sets, then remaining elements of set have to take. So first here A, sorry, here 6, 8 is there, sorry. 6 and 6 you have to remove. So is there another common? No common. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 2, 4, 8 and 10. 2, 4, 8 and 10. Next, we have to find B minus A. B minus A. As it is, you have to write. B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So B minus A, how to cut, remove the common elements. In this common only 6. Therefore, B minus A is equal to, what here? B minus A, 3, 9, 12 and 15. Okay? A minus B, 2, 4, 8, 10 and B is equal to 3, 9, 12, 15. So, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay? Right. Next. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset B, what is A union B? So I am taking one set A. I am taking set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. B is equal to, I am taking another one set, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What we have to find? A is subset B, because here what is the condition? Satisfied. Every element of A in B, so A is subset B. A is subset B. What we have to write? We have to write A union B. A union B. I am writing. A union B means I have to write all elements. We have to write all elements. So 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. Common. Both are common elements. I am taking only one time. Remaining we have 5, 6. That much only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or both are same. Therefore, what are A union B is equal to B. A union B is equal to B only. Okay? Next. Same. Again, he is not asking, but I am telling. What about A intersection B? If A is subset B, what about A intersection B? So, I am writing A intersection B. A intersection B means we are writing only common elements. Which are common here? 1, 2, 3, 4 are common elements. Here we are taking common elements, we are taking 1 times. Here we are taking only common element, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to A only. When? If A is subset B. Okay? This is a general truth. So, wherever you have to go sets, this condition is correct only. So, what is our condition? If A is subset B, then A union B is equal to B. Always. And A intersection B is equal to A. Okay? Right. Next. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. Okay? One set. B is X such that X is an even natural number. C is a one set, that is X is an odd natural number. D is X such that X is a prime number. So, we have to write A intersection B, A intersection D, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D and C intersection D we are writing. First I am writing set A. Set A natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on I am writing. How wish. Next I am writing set B. B is equal to, what is asking? Even natural numbers. What is the even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Set B. Next set C. X is an odd natural numbers. C is equal to 3, 5, next 7, 9, 11 and so on. Next D is equal to, what is the D? D is equal to, X is a prime number. What is the prime number? First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay, this is the set. What we have to find? First we are finding A intersection B. One by one I am finding A intersection B. What is the A intersection B? In this, which is the common? 2 is the common, 4 is the common, 6 is the common. So 2, 4, 6 and so on. That is equal to set B only. A intersection B, we have to write common elements. So in this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that only. We are getting only even numbers. Natural even numbers. Next I am finding A intersection C. What is the A intersection C in this, which is common? 3 is the common, 5 is the common. Next to 7. Next to 9, like that only. So 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. That is equal to C only, because A is the big set, superset of all these 3. Okay, right, because A is containing all natural numbers, but remaining set B, set C, set D, we are given restrictions. In this, only even numbers, only odd numbers, only prime numbers, prime natural numbers, prime natural numbers only. Okay, A intersection C is equal to C. Next, we are finding A intersection D. A intersection, what is the prime numbers? First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. That is equal to D only. Okay, now over. A intersection B is over. A intersection C, A intersection D. It is very easy. Intersection means we have to write only common elements. We are writing only common elements. Okay, right. Next, A intersection D is over. Next, B intersection C I am writing. B intersection C. What is the B intersection C? Which are elements? B and C. So which is element? No, is there any common? No common elements, because this is even number, these are the odd elements. That is equal to pi. It is equal to pi only. Next, we are writing B intersection C is over. Next, we are finding B intersection D. B intersection D or B intersection D. In this, which is common? Only 2 is the common. Only 2 is, because 2 is only even and prime number. Only, therefore, B intersection D is equal to 2. 2 is an even number and a prime number. What we have to find? We want even number and a prime number. That is possible only 2. Next, what we have to find? B intersection D is also over. Next, we are finding C intersection D. That is also very easy. C intersection D. What are the elements? First, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there, 11. Okay. 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Okay. C intersection D. C intersection D. Okay. Right. This is the C intersection D. Understand? Okay. Right. Next. The problem. Set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Set B is equal to 4 multiples. 4 1 is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. D is equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20. So based on this, we have to find some problems. A minus B, A minus C up to is given 10 problems. We are solving one by one problem. First, I am going for A minus B. A minus B. What is A minus B? Numbers, the elements which are in A, not in B. First, I am writing A minus B. A minus B is equal to, first I am writing A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. B is equal to, I am writing 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. In this, which is common, we have to remove. So only 12 is the common. 12 is the common. I am removing. Therefore, A minus B is equal to the elements which are in A. We are remove common elements. Remaining elements we are writing. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21 over. Next, we have to find A minus C. So, same I am writing A minus B over. Next, A minus C. So, what is C here? C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So, in this which is common? I have to remove. So, 6 is the common, 12 is the common. I am removing here 6 and 12. Both are I am removing. So, next we are to finding A minus C. A minus C is equal to 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. To 16 only here. That is A minus C. Next, A minus B over A minus C over. Next, A minus D. Same as it is I am writing. So, A minus D. What is A? A already you know. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Next D. D is equal to here. D is equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20. 15 and 20. So what we have to find? A minus D. So have to remove common elements in A. That's enough. A minus D. That is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 21. This is A minus D over. Next we have to find B minus A. Same as it is I am following. So what is B minus A? What is B here? Observe here. B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. And A is equal to what? So this is set B. B is equal to, this is B minus A we are finding. A is equal to, what is A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So in this which is common? 12 only common. So I am removing in B is enough, not A, but you are understanding. So B minus A. So I have to write set A, B only. 4, 8, 16 and 20. So next B minus A is over. Next what we have to find? C minus A. Simple thing. Instead of B I am writing C. C minus A. What is C? C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So C minus A. Common element you have to remove. In this which is common? 6 is the common. 12 is the common. C minus A. So is there another name? No. 6 and 12 only. How to write? 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. This is C minus A. Next same I have to write D minus A. D minus A. What is D minus A? Here D is equal to, I am writing D is equal to 5, 10, 15 and 20. What is A? A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. So D minus A, in this common only 15. Therefore, D minus A is equal to 5, 10 and 20. So, all problems like this only, remaining all have to follow this method only. So, remaining common elements. Okay, this is for sixth problem. Remaining you will do. Okay, next, true or false, seventh problem. So, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3 and 6 disjoint or not. So, what is the disjoints? If no common elements, they are disjoints. But here we have one common element. This is false. This is only false because one common element. So this is a false. Next, here also I have to take A. A is a common element for both set. This is also false. Next, 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint or not? Yes, both are disjoint. No common elements. No common element. This is also true because they have no common elements. Okay. This is for seventh problem. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video. This is exercise 2.2 in sets. Thank you.